When considering application deployment in a containerized environment, it's essential to understand the roles of Helm charts, Docker, and Kubernetes. Each serves a distinct purpose in the software development lifecycle. Docker is a containerization platform that allows developers to package applications and their dependencies into containers. This ensures that applications run consistently across different environments. So, what's a container? A container is a standardized unit of software that packages an application and its dependencies together, allowing it to run consistently across various computing environments. Docker simplifies the deployment process by enabling users to create, share, and run containers. Docker is ideal for smaller applications or microservices that need to be quickly deployed on a single host. Kubernetes is a container orchestration platform designed to manage containers at scale. It automates the deployment, scaling, and operation of containerized applications across clusters of machines. Kubernetes provides advanced features such as load balancing, self-healing, which means automatically replacing failed containers, and storage orchestration. It abstracts the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on application logic rather than deployment complexities. Kubernetes is best suited for complex, production-grade environments where scalability and resilience are critical. Common scenarios include managing large-scale microservices architectures, handling fluctuating workloads in e-commerce platforms or financial services, and environments with stringent regulatory requirements needing robust security and compliance features. What about Helm charts? Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes that simplifies the management of Kubernetes applications through Helm charts. A Helm chart is a collection of files that describe a related set of Kubernetes resources. Helm charts automate the deployment process by bundling all necessary Kubernetes manifests and configuration settings into a single package. This allows users to deploy complex applications with a single command. Helm charts are particularly useful for deploying multi-component applications or services that require specific configurations, such as databases alongside web servers. In summary, Docker focuses on creating and running containers. Kubernetes manages those containers at scale, and Helm provides a streamlined way to deploy and manage applications within a Kubernetes environment. Together, they form a powerful stack for modern application deployment, allowing developers to efficiently build, deploy, and manage containerized applications in various environments. The choice of which tool to use depends on the complexity of your application and your specific needs. For simple applications, Docker alone might suffice. But as your application grows and the need for orchestration and simplified deployments arises, Kubernetes and Helm become invaluable allies. In the vast expanse of software development, these tools empower us to build, deploy, and scale applications that transform the way we interact with technology and the world around us. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.